Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing video, but it is a little bit different because it is a mint subscription box, and it is called as the TheMisterBox, and nothing there in this box, guys. I took everything out in a curiosity to see what it is. So there is nothing inside this box. I took everything out and it came on this package, and it was really good, but it was a little bit damaged here and there. It's okay, it's because of transit and it is via India Post, and there is a little story behind that. I will tell you the story when I unbox one by one. So I like this black logo and this mustache here. I really love their logo and a little bit of gifting touch they provided. That is so good. So I'm going to show you the products one by one, and everything was neatly bubble wrapped, layers and layers of packaging. Everything is good, and there was shock proof inside that is good. And this is a biodegradable bag, and for the first timers it is really appreciable. And the cost of this box is $7.99, and there was a discount of 50 rupees when we pre-book. So I pre-booked there. I just paid $7.49, and there is an extra product for the pre-booking, which is a surprise gift. I will show that too. And let me start with the products one by one. The first thing is this Brahma activated charcoal soap. It says charcoal, and but it doesn't smell like charcoal. It really gives you a very floral smelling, and it is for 249 rupees. After seeing this Brahma product on their page, and I went to Nykaa to see what this product is all about, and it was really good, and it is made in India. I love that part, and the ingredients looks like promising, and they are like a luxurious brand for men. I'm so happy that I bought this, and this is a gift to my husband actually for his birthday. His birthday is coming up in this month, May. And the next product is a face wash, again from Brahma. It's a cedarwood and lime face wash, and it is for 50 ml, and the cost is again 249 rupees, and it is here on the box. So it looks like gel consistency. This is how it looks like. It comes in this bottle, and I will just show it to you. It is gel consistency, so you can see that it has a gel like consistency, and it has a strong masculine fragrance. I really like the fragrance because it is so strong and masculine, so that is really good. And the next item came in this box. It is again a Brahma green coffee and face scrub with beetroot, vitamin C and walnut granules. Wow, that is so promising. And it says apply a coin size amount of face scrub onto a wet face, rubbing gently in circle, rinse with warm water, use 2 or 4 times a week for best result. And it just have the key ingredients but I would like to get all the ingredients, but it is not there. Okay, and this came in a tub like this, and I opened it. Due to this humid condition, it is not a creamy texture. It is like watery now, you can see, and it exactly smells like coffee. So it looks like edible for me, but it exactly smells like coffee, guys. So just now I opened it the second time, and I can feel the coffee smell everywhere around me. So it's really good. They got 3 Brahma products, and this is for $3.99, I think. Yes, I'm right. This is for $3.99, and it is good for 30 months, and it is a 100-gram product. So that goes a very long day. So it's really good. So the next product is a pair of socks. It says Adidas, and it's soft and ankle length socks. It's really good to add the day-to-day products which we use. And there was a surprise gift, as I said, and it was actually wrapped up, and there was a ribbon on it like this one. This was the ribbon which was there on the gift, and this was the ribbon which was there on the box. So I'm gonna keep it here because I like ribbons. Like if some product comes with a ribbon, it feels like we got a gift. So again, this is a wonderful gift, I would say. Fuchsia detox activated charcoal soap free body wash. I never saw an activated charcoal product from Fuchsia. That is really good, and everything is activated charcoal here, so that is really good. And it is 50 ml and it costs 250 rupees. As we know, most of their body washes cost 250, and it does foams here. You see that? The gel, that is really good. The face wash, I mean the gel consistency face wash. And there was a little pamphlet there, and they have a theme called SUNNP that goes there. And the last product is a t-shirt, and there is color choice, guys. I'm really having problem in talking today. There is a color choice, and that the color which I chose is red. I'm in love with red nowadays. So it is a red Levi's t-shirt. I will put the picture in the Instagram somewhere, and I will try to put it in the thumbnail if possible. I'm not sure, I am unable to open it. And there are size available, like you can go L, M or XL. I took the right size, and I love this color, the red one. It's not so reddy red, the blood red, but it's like a good red color. So this is all I got in my Mister's box for $7.49, but the actual cost is $7.99. So it covers everything. Like there is a dress, there is an accessory, you can use it day to day, and there's a surprise gift. Even though if this surprise gift is not here, you have a face wash, you have a soap, and you have a scrub to pamper yourself. So this is a good deal and a wonderful box, I would say. As a first comer, they came up with a very good idea, and everything was neatly packed. That was so impressive. So I really love this box, and I strongly suggest this for everyone out there. If you are a man or a woman, if you want to gift it to someone, yes, go for it. You will never ever regret it. And I will put all the information down below in the description box. They have their own Instagram page. They take orders only through Instagram as of now, but they may come up with some other option. And the mode of payments are like bank transfer and Paytm. But I asked about tests, so they said okay for tests. They have tests too, so you can pay it via tests in seconds, guys. So that's it for today. And if you are new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your support. And I was about to tell that small story, right? So this is via post, and the postman said that he missed this box and he was ready to pay the money to me initially in the morning today. And I was completely upset because I have to order it again, even though he's gonna give the money. And he's a good guy, he never missed anything like this. I thought it was a bad day for him, and I accepted. But he came now again in the evening, and he said it was there inside the post office premises, and he got the box again. I was so happy, so I unboxed it immediately, and I did this video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.